thunderstorm warning for central Lafleur County in southeastern Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Boca Chica, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Hodo, Piedmont, Panama, Worcester, Howe, Fanshawe, Piedmont Runestone State Park, Lake Worcester State Park, Shady Point, Hodgen, Summerfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7, online radio,